Okay, I got to my room and I am at a 1-bedroom villa for the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm on the Kidani side, not Jumbo House. So this is Kidani. This is the first bathroom. So I'm guessing that this is like this is the guest bathroom. Hi. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the place. I'm waiting for my luggage, so I might get interrupted. This is a full kitchen. Oh, very cool. Look at these bar stools. They're nice. Obviously dining area. Ooh, living room area. And, ooh, gigantic television. I believe this pulls out to a bed. And before I take a look outside, here is the full kitchen. Awesome. I won't use the dishwasher, but I definitely can use the microwave, coffee pot. Here is the refrigerator. This is always my... No ice. I wonder if I should make ice. I'm not going to, but refrigerator. Fully empty right now, but we'll see what it's like in a week of being here. This is day one. I just got in. Ta-da! They still do that, so that's nice. And here is the master bedroom. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Oh my god, not only is it huge, but it is way far off the bed or floor. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the television. And again, before we take a look at my balcony, oh, there I am again. That looks like the master bathroom. A couple of chairs. Holy smokes. Oh my god. This is gigantic. Oh, that's awesome. Look at, there's a Lion King motif, but oh my god, look at that bathtub. I will be in the bathtub. I don't necessarily know I'll be videotaping the bathtub, but look at the shower. This is awesome. That's not awesome, but the shower is gigantic. Okay, now this bathroom is probably the largest bathroom. They just finished cleaning, so I guess that's why the hairdryer was out. But, oh my gosh. And of course, here's the toilet area. Ta-da! But there is a closet in here. There's the safe. Nice. Wow, this bathroom was huge. Oh my gosh. This is gigantic. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait to be in here. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I don't know, is that enough towels for me? I do not think so. I'm gonna need more towels. Yeah, that's for sure. I'm gonna need more towels. But, wow, this is like huge. I feel like this is even actually larger than the boardwalk. At least it looks bigger. Let's take a look at the closet area here, which has the best feature, like I said. Huge closet. Ta-da! Laundry and washer and dryer for laundry. So I guess that's kind of the laundry room. I will be using this. This is an important feature, which I'm glad I have this time, because this trip out here was part work and part play. So, and definitely need that shower. Neat artwork. That is a connecting door to, I believe, a studio. So if I wanted, to make a bigger 3-bedroom villa, they would open that door there, and then you get the third room is the studio, or the deluxe studio. So let's take a trip out to the balcony. Holy smokes, it's super quiet out here. Oh, this is gonna look nice in the morning. This is my entire balcony, by the way, just so you know. This is the balcony part for the master bedroom area, and this is walking back to the living room area. I did not shut my door because I don't want to get stuck outside. Look at the zebra chairs. I don't see any animals, but that's not unusual. It's kind of warm and it's the afternoon, and I do not think that they come out much in the afternoon because it's too darn hot. So we shall see what we see tomorrow morning. Okay, so here's the resort map. My room's over here this time. Here's the lobby. I walked all the way around there. And the last time I was here, lobby again, I had my room way over on the side. So this is nice because I have now been on both sides of this resort. So that'll be kind of cool. And then this trip, I will be taking more time to look at the resort. It's the savannah in the evening. I'm getting ready to go to the park, but I wanted to take a picture of the savannah, and there were some animals out.